Billy Trucks on the scene. Good to see. Now, for us, what's good to see? A little bit of rain on the MaxTrack Live Doppler. Not much, but it's out there. Let's take a look at it here for you. And as we do so, you are looking at just a few little spotty showers that'll be around. Again, it's not going to amount to much, and a lot of folks may not see much of anything out of this. As we are looking at these ones, northern Scott County, western part of Harrison County, basically centered on Connorsville, back to about Sadieville. These are moving to the southeast with time, so again, not a whole lot to these. If you get one, consider yourself lucky. Another one dying as it comes through Franklin County. It gets into the northern part of Woodford County here. Here's the big story we're talking about. Fall is making a quiet transition back into our weather lexicon. For the weekend, looks spectacularly fall-y. Next week, there's another summer push, but not quite to the extent that we've been seeing here. Normal highs continue their decline. So these temperatures that have been flirting with 90 here the last couple of days, they're going away. And in fact, we're going to be in the 60s and 70s going into the early part of next week. And the other thing, the muggies are going away. So we're going to take the humidity that's around now, watch it just get pushed to the south so that by tomorrow evening it's down along the Gulf Coast. And by the end of the week, it's not in the Gulf Coast, it's in the Gulf for a lot of this. So we will see the humidity go away and the temperature change. Look at this. We're in the upper 80s to around 90 from the Mississippi on to the east. How does this compare to yesterday? Well, in the cooler air, temperatures are running 10 to 25 degrees cooler. One thing I wanted to point out, though, there's another warm-up already starting out in the plains. So this cool that's coming in is not going to last forever. Middle upper 80s at the moment. It is a hot afternoon. 88 at the Bluegrass Airport. Light west wind under a partly to mostly sunny sky. Maria's back up to being a hurricane. It is, though, getting pushed out into the Atlantic. Here comes your cool front. Again, just a couple little showers associated with it. Those are going to go away. Reinforcing cool fronts dropping in here for Friday. That'll bring with it a couple of clouds. Itty-bitty shower chance with it as well. Bottom line is most of our forecast is pretty benign. And during the day today, one of the hurricane hunters did find a gust of wind that took it back to hurricane threshold. It will eventually get pushed on out into the island. You're also seeing at the very edge of your screen there Hurricane Lee, which is up to a Category 3 storm, strictly a fish storm. Clearing a whole lot cooler later tonight. We drop into the upper 50s and it's mid-70s tomorrow. Partly to mostly sunny, cooler and less humid. We continue looking ahead. We're talking about temperatures staying in the 60s and 70s through the weekend. But it does start trying to get hot again, at least early next week. Not over the top hot. Let's call it normal October hot.
Normal hot. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Bill.